So many of us may play this video game called Breakout. So basically, there's like a board that you can move left and right, and on the top there are a bunch of bricks there, and you can use the board to like capture the ball, moving ball, and this moving ball will just bounce around the bar and the bricks, and then if you hit the bricks, and then you cancel out one of them. So I kind of heard that Steve Jobs and Watts was also part of a team that designed this game. I don't know if that's true, but the idea of like a reinforcement learning is basically to use a neural network, let the computer figure out an algorithm to play this game like automatically without like a human interaction there. So basically, what this neural network is learning is kind of like your input layer is the input of the environment and the state. So what's the environment and state? So basically, for example, like the position of this bar, and maybe the velocity of this bar, and maybe the position of this ball, and you can like put a lot of other stuff, like maybe the velocity of the ball, or maybe like is this break still there or not there. So basically all the whole game can be like a turn into numbers there. So this neural network is gonna like treat it all the like the problem as a game there. So there's a hidden layer, or you can have multiple hidden layers, and the final layer are like actions. So it's gonna output like a score for each of the possible action. Let's assume there are only two actions here, like basically move left and move right. And the score that it output is called Q score, Q value. So it stands for like quality value there. So usually as a human, we're teaching the system, we give a reward function. So if you do something right, then you get like a higher Q score. So the what the network will learn basically would output an action and try to achieve like higher Q value.